Dear students and learners, a warm welcome to all of you to my lecture series on this YouTube channel English Mania. Feed the mind, feel the English. So today's video lecture is about poetic appreciation of the poem 2.4 Have You Earned Your Tomorrow, which is there in your 12th class English textbook. Poetic appreciation question will come in your 12th board examination on question number 3B, and the question will be like write the appreciation of the given poem with the help of the following points. You need to identify the poem because the poem's name will not be there in your board examination. Easy words to identify the poem of this particular poem Have You Earned Your Tomorrow is there will be question mark at the end of each lines, so you can easily find out this poem is definitely Have You Earned Your Tomorrow. Question will be like about the poem or poet and significance of the title. In the second paragraph of your answer, you need to mention the theme or central idea of the poem. In the third paragraph of your answer, you need to write poetic style, language and poetic devices used in that particular poem. Special features, inspirational messages, values, morals reflected in the poem, and you must end your answer with your opinion and critical evaluation about the poem. Now let's see the answer of this. The poem Have You Earned Your Tomorrow is written by Edgar Guest. The title of the poem pushes our mind to wonder if today we have done something useful. The poet puts forward questions. Each question forces us to ask if we are kind, unselfish, patient, and thoughtful. Nowadays, we live for our own benefits. The language of the poem is simple. There is alliteration and rhyme. The poem has 4 stanzas of 4 lines each. The clear message of the poem is that one's life is meaningful only if it is useful for humanity at large. One has to know that your existence is justified. One cannot feel he has the right to ask for one more day of life. According to me, it is an uplifting poem. We can take the message and begin implementing it in our daily life immediately and every day. So in a very simple way, I wrote this answer. Now let's see the key points of this answer. So about the poem, poet and title, Have You Earned Your Tomorrow is an inspirational poem written by American poet Edgar Guest. Theme is urged to be thoughtful in day-to-day life, the real value of life, and third theme of this poem is life is beautiful, lead it together. Poetic style is it consists of 4 stanzas, use of many questions to convey an idea and present it in appealing style. Language and poetic devices are use of simple language, effective use of interrogation and alliteration. Rhyming scheme is AABB. Special features are uplifting poem that teaches the way to create glory in one's life. Message, values and morals are one should do good to others, live and let others live. Be a good human being, a warm-hearted person. And in own opinion, you can write obviously the poem teaches us good manners. I think the poem tests our compassion and kindness towards others. Really, it's inspiring. So these are the key points that you need to remember while dealing with poetic appreciation of Have You Earned Your Tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question regarding this particular video lecture, you can ask me in the comment box of this video. Thank you so much, and if you haven't subscribed this channel English Mania, feed the mind, feel the English, please subscribe it now. I'm your digital teacher Hina Kausar. Thank you so much.